So here is the end of my perimeter drain. It's not going around the whole basement. A stand-up freezer behind the camera is actually going to go in that corner. I just figured I'm going to end that, so I might as well do something different. Not a lot of room to work. And here comes the inspector. I think this will do it. 6 bags. 6 80-pound bags. I could be wrong. Could still need 2 more. What I really need now is for this to go down a little further. Doing this kind of work a couple times, not too bad. I don't know if I'd want to do it every day. Because I can't stand on the drain. Might not. Thankfully, I've got a couple of bricks floating around. Or maybe half a paver. Looks like that'll work. So that's another 2 bags, making this 6 bags. First, hit it with a new tool. We'll go from there. This is dry core that I'm kneeling on. So this is an electric vibrating trowel. Did I pop the breaker already? I don't know, I switched extension cords. It's also on a different breaker. So much easier than doing this with a mag float. I've yet to find out why or what the difference is between cement truck concrete and bag concrete. After running that vibrating trowel, it's so much easier to mag float. So I need to lift the oil tank, which is half full, just enough to get that chunk of floor out from under it. So I built that out of 2x4s. There's 2 layers, overlapping joints, using 22.5-degree miters on the top side and 45s on the bottom, and a whole bunch of screws. I got this jack. Which came from Tractor Supply, which is, as far as I can tell, the only place you can buy this jack. I think I need to change something. I shortened up the backside and I added 1/2-inch plywood to the inside. Oh, that lifted so easy. Yeah, I was looking at the little bit of contact that these feet have. I think that's what they're called. And I was like, well, I'm going to have more contact with what I'm doing. And that lifted like nothing. I mean, this is a 3-ton jack. So this weighs about 1,000 pounds right now. Yeah. That's good. Just gonna lift one side at a time.